Hazrat Humayd Tawil narrates that he heard Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu say, when Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu came, immigrating, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam established the bond of fraternity between him and Hazrat Saad bin Rabi Ansari. Hazrat Saad Ansari had two wives. He said to him, take one of my wife and half of my property. He replied, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you in your family and property. Guide me only to the market. So he went to the market and earned some cheese and ghee through business. He continued doing so till after some days the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw him while there were some yellow spots on his clothes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Abdur Rahman, what is it? He submitted, I have married an Ansari woman. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, how much jointure have you paid? He submitted, gold equal to the size of a date stone. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, now hold a wedding feast even though with a goat. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5072.